Okay, now in this video I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIF files with Adobe After Effects. So normally GIF files are of small sizes and small resolution. So create a GIF file, create a composition with small resolution. So right click, new composition, change the resolution to 500 by 500, and we want animation for 3 seconds only. Okay, so now we have created a composition. First of all, let's create a background with the help of solid layer. Okay, now we have created a background. Now let's create a shape of the ellipse like this. By pressing Ctrl Alt Home, we can make the alignment anchor point to the center. Then from the click on this button and then add zigzag, expand it, increase the size of it, decrease the reaches per segment, change it to smooth. Okay, now we have created a flower. Let's animate it by going into rotation and then turn the auto key on, turn the stopwatch on. Okay, so now we have our animation. Okay, now let's export it to as an animatic GIF file. So if I'm going to export it to render queue, okay, then from the format list you can see there is no animated GIF option. So now we have to export it to media encoder queue. That's why we have media encoder, because media encoder allows us to export files to more range of formats. Okay, now let's export it to media encoder queue, and now it will start loading and it might take some time. So loading has been completed. You can see our composition here. From this drop down, change it to animated GIF. Okay, now click on animated GIF, because right now we have a solid background, so there is no need for transparency. Then this is our path. Click on this button to start rendering. You can see the render. Okay, now our rendering has been completed. Just click on it, and then this is our GIF file, and that's it. In this way you can create GIF file in Adobe After Effects. And now you can see it is running in a loop and it can run for forever.